guys, I am back home from work. Open these blinds. But I am tired. So, these blinds. Okay, so I got off at like 2:30, 3 o'clock, whatever time it is now, don't know. But yeah, I actually cut the heat on, and stuff falling out my pockets. Hold on, y'all, it's gonna get dark. It's gonna get dark. Hold on. Let me see. Throw some more. Okay. Turn the heat down. Okay. But yeah, kind of on the tired side right now. I don't know what's going on with my camera. I'm lucky because it's actually letting me record without being on the charger or whatever. But yeah. So I got a couple more things to do today. I gotta go work out, and I got to do some homework, and I got to do my, I'm gonna say emotional board. I don't know what this is on my forehead. See, y'all, I told you I didn't put on makeup on my forehead today, but I don't know what that is. Gotta do my motivational weight loss goal, whatever you want to call it, board. Because I told you I was redoing my board. Because if you see now up there, it's just piece of paper. It's just piece of paper up there, written on piece of paper, my goal weights, what I want to be, my certain dates, and whatever, blah blah. And so yeah, I decided to go to the dollar store, get a couple of poster boards, and I'm gonna do something like that. I gotta print out some pictures of me, and stuff like that. The double chin going away, but I'll be glad when it's gone. Forever. Oh, good. But yeah, you guys, I need to go check the mail. Let's go check the mail. But first, we have to go get the keys. So back to the dark we go. Back to the dark we go. Back to the dark, the dark. Hold on. Let's find my keys. See what I was saying? This is my pound for pound weight loss wall. So as you see, I am down to 289. So yeah, got a while to go. Of course, I want to get down to, for the wall it says 245, but I had to stop. But my ultimate goal that you see here is 220. So yeah, so that's why I said I gotta redo it over because it looks kind of raunchy. Let me find my keys. Got him. Find my keys and let me tell Babe I'm home because he will have a fit. I don't let him know that I'm home and whatnot. But yeah, y'all. Let me tell you about this morning. Okay. So, anybody don't know, I do not have a vehicle at this moment. So, I use Uber to get back and forth to work. And I have a lot of free rides. So, this morning, my driver was late. It said it would take him 13 minutes to get from wherever he was to my house. So I'm like, okay. Ooh. Y'all came outside with no socks, with no shoes on, and rocks all in the driveway. But yeah, so I'm like, okay. Because I plan out my time it takes me. No, ma'am. Great. Because I plan out the time it takes for me to actually request the Uber, to the Uber, to the time it takes for them to get to me from their destination, to the time it takes for me to get to work from my house. It's the mailman there. So, yeah, I time all of that. And so, wherever he was at, it said it would take him 13 minutes to get to me. So, okay, that's not bad. I still got time to do whatever I need to do to get there on time. So, this nigga didn't forget about my mail. So he just came and dropped off the mail and then turned around and went somewhere else. Anyways. So, I think some of my neighbors are moving. Anyways, anyways. Okay. Back to my story. Anyways, yeah, so it would take about 13 minutes and whatnot. Oh, okay, cool. So I'm waiting, and while I'm waiting, I'm watching some little crazy movie on Lifetime. Mind you, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Well, about 5 something, almost 6. I had to be at work at 6. So I'm sitting there, and they have a thing where you can track to see how long it takes them to get there. Hold on, y'all. Let me lock this door. So, and I'm sitting there and it's still saying 13 minutes. Now, I know I done said that for about at least 5 minutes. And it's still saying 15 minutes. And I'm like, okay. Where's nigga at? It's like 5:50 now. And it's still saying 13 minutes. I'm like, okay. Let me call this man. We'll see where he at. I called him. He sound like he just getting up or just leaving the house or whatever. And like I said, yes, do you know how long before you get here? He was like, where you at? I was like, I'm at 37 McGivney. And he was like, it'll take me about 15 minutes. I said, okay. No, he said, I'd be there in 15 minutes. I said, okay. So he gets here, I don't know, because I didn't clock in till 6:15. So, basically, I'm 15 minutes late for work. So, I rated him a 1. I wish they didn't have, but you have to rate something, between 1 star and 5 stars. There's no option for you not to rate. So, I rated him 1 star and told them why. And then, I got an email from the lady. And they gave me a $5 credit, but I'm like, y'all need to get together. I Uber back and forth to work almost every day, and I've never had this issue. Like that's ridiculous. Don't make nobody 15 minutes late because you the one claimed the Uber and decided to take your little time. Like folks ain't got some place to be. I'm not just up at 4, 5, 6 in the morning just to be up, just to go somewhere. Hello. So, yeah. And so, yeah. And then, these folks at work were ticking me off. I'm like, yeah. I work with the general public. I'm just saying that. I work with the general public. So, I'm in the face of the public every day. People will literally drive you up a wall. co-workers, people, everybody will drive you up a wall. I just be clocking the time. Get my 5 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, whatever, get them in so I can go home. Okay. Let me text my man before he kill me. So, but yeah, let's see. Weight loss journey. There's a video coming up soon on that. Matter of fact, what's today's date? It's the 10th, and I need to record that video and have it up by Wednesday. So be looking out for that video coming Wednesday. Okay, this Wednesday. This is him calling me now. I will talk to y'all later. Gun in my hand. Why are you asking me there a gun in my hand, Mr. Robert? Like I'm finna do what? Like you finna talk and shoot stuff. I'm like, what are you doing? Yeah, I'm gonna shoot you with it. That was gonna happen. That's what I'm gonna shoot. You, Mr. Robert. Excuse me? Oh, I'm going to hell. Keep on threatening me. The Lord is not pleased with your threats. Robert over there being Robert and stuff. Stop talking about my mama. I'm gonna tell him. You guys, this is my dinner. It's hot, but that's a pork chop I made yesterday. I heated up my skillet, and oop, it's fogging on my camera. I heated up my skillet with some olive oil in the oven. Seasoned my pork chops. Placed them in the oven. I'm sorry, no I didn't. Placed them on the stove, on top of the stove, for about 6 minutes on both sides. Let it get a little crust on there. Gold on both sides. Then I baked them for about 15 minutes. And oh my God, they're so good. These just green beans and potatoes. And I'm finna eat this for dinner, and it's finna be boom. You guys, this pork chop is so good. Hot. But it's good. Water. This will actually be my last meal of the day. So, morning, guys. Morning. Let me find my remote. Turn the television down. Yeah. So, morning. I didn't have to work today, as you all know. So right now I'm washing clothes, gonna cook some food, and I'm eating. You ready to eat on my Special K protein bars, along with a smoothie. Let's see if y'all can see. Oh, what's left of the smoothie? It got strawberries, pineapples, blueberries, a smidget of orange juice, and one of these in there. And it's very, very tasty. Right now I'm getting ready to I'm ready to upload a YouTube video. And I'm also going to make me a steak. And I got some chicken for dinner. So, yes, that's what I'm in the middle of doing. Yes, dolls and gents and everything. Y'all can't see me. Let's see if I do like that. Can y'all see me? You still can't see me, huh? The beauty of being a YouTuber. Hold on. Let's measure it better. Turn the light on for you. Then it got hot in here now. So, yes, you guys, I'm gonna upload this video. Don't. Hold on, guys. Yeah. So, and video I'm uploading kind of a long video, so I know it's gonna take a while for it to actually upload and process and blah blah blah. So yeah, and yeah. I'm just, no, I feel really good this morning, you guys. I feel really good. You know, besides the fact that there was no church today, which y'all know I absolutely hate, but whatever. No, I don't want to be wasting film, but I really just wanted to do a clip for y'all today. Oh, let me tell y'all about my Subway experience. I have to tell y'all that. Some Subway did my food. Of course, I forget what it was, but it was probably a spicy Italian. And so there are 3 workers there. One is black. Well, not sorry, they're all black, but one was black. Okay. And so I'm getting my food, talking to the other guy that's fixing my food, and he's standing just trying to talk to me. Can I have some? Can I buy your food? Blah blah blah. I'm like, sure, whatever. I really ain't paying no attention. I'm tired. So I pay for my food, and it's time for me to go. I walk out the door, and he like, can I have your number? I'm like, no. He's like, why? It's because I work at Subway. I'm like, boy, if you don't get back. He's like, what's up there? So, I'm just like, no, you know. I got a boyfriend. Y'all, this man tells me and I lie not to y'all. He tells me, okay, and I got a girlfriend, what's up? I'm like, oh no, my nigga. No. This ain't that type of party. No, sure. No. Like, why can't people understand or even respect other people's relationship? Like, I can understand if you don't care about your relationship. You know, that's your problem, not mine. But don't come and disrespecting me and my relationship. Like, don't do that. Alright, don't do that. Because that's how people end up getting choked to death, or getting slapped, or getting shot. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that. Just don't. You know, I just don't understand people. Like, that is so rude. Okay, so I am making my steak. Making my steak. Hey, making my steak. Okay. And it's not all the way frozen, but it's somewhat frozen. Because I've heard that the best way to make a steak is to cook it frozen. So I just got a small bit of Creole seasoning on it on both sides, and then just cook it on top of the stove. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna make with it, but oh, bless me, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. So yeah, boom, boom, bye. That looks delicious. I got some Worcestershire sauce, whatever you want to call it. Worcestershire, however. And it's gonna cook in that, so I soak up all of the moisture and all of the flavor. So yeah, that's gonna be bomb, y'all. Like, bomb. Okay, do y'all see this black screen that I'm looking at? My computer keeps doing this. It goes to a black screen, then the HP sign come up. Oh, now it says preparing automatic repair. I don't know what happened, but a blue screen came up twice, and I don't need that happening. So I'm kind of getting frustrated right now. So we're gonna see what happens next. It's just so annoying. My gosh. But yeah, I'm sitting here watching the little Jackson TV show called The Jacksons. Yeah. I wish I would have had showed y'all that steak, but the steak was so good I couldn't stop eating it. I'm gonna put a picture in here somewhere. That steak was bomb. It was bomb. Yeah. So clothes are almost finished. I'm getting ready to work on I wanted to work on my homework and my test today because it's due today at 11:59. So, my computer technically isn't working, so I'm gonna start on my motivational poster wall. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, I'll be back when I'm finished.